Hi, welcome to GladyTech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you on how to earn money on Chow app. Naturally, this cannot be done directly. It can only be done through your YouTube or TikTok. The app itself mainly make money through subscriptions from premium users, in-app purchase, token or features, ads shown to users. So users don't get paid just for chatting. But you can actually make money from this same Chow app through the smart ways. Number one, create viral content through this app and share to your YouTube using the Chow app. The second method is by affiliate marketing, where you can make use of the AI tools and also subscribe as a premium users. You can also use the sell digital products by making use of the Chow app and the AI tools. The last is to build your own AI brand. So guys, that is it on how to earn money on Chow app. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTech Fix and Earn for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.